order to have a solution like Remote Mentor, or what we call Visual Remote Guidance, you need a device like the HMT-1, you need a network, and then you need software. And so our software we call Visual Remote Guidance, and it's on that software when running on the HMT-1 that we're enabling enterprises in many of the verticals. So I think it's this combination of a hands-free wearable like the HMT-1 running our Visual Remote Guidance software that allows enterprises to basically remotely repair things in a much more efficient way. And that drops right to the bottom line. There's a real ROI in using this type of approach. Let's say you have an expensive piece of equipment and you have your expert, but they're maybe on the other coast, right? You don't have anybody local. And so you need to put them on a plane. And so if you just calculate the cost of a plane ride, maybe they stay overnight, you could actually pay for the HMT-1 and our HPE VRG software. You could pay for the use of that for a whole year. Or you'd have a nice ROI in terms of payback within that one support experience.